this video, we are going to see how we can insert the pictures in Microsoft Word document. So for example, I have created a space for the picture, and what I want to do is, first of all, I can insert a picture from my local hard drive or from my PC. And the second option is I can use the insert option where I can use the stock images or online pictures that is directly connected with the website. You can just use that and directly insert an image in Microsoft Word. So for example, I want firstly to enter it from my device. I'll use this in the insert option. I'll go to the pictures, and from here I can choose this device, and I'll go to the area where my pictures are. And let's say this is the picture. I'll just insert this. Now I can resize this however I want. And if you want to move this up, you can move that. And now I can resize this. Also, you will notice that as soon as the picture is inserted, you will see a new tab which says picture format. So you can choose all of these formattings. That if you want a border across it, I can choose this one. We have different borders, different shadings, different styles that we can apply to the picture. You can just play around and find the best one for yourself. Also, you can remove the backgrounds here. As you can notice that even though it is white background, it still looks different from the document. So what we can do is just choose the picture, and I'll go to the picture format, and here it says remove background. Let's just try this. And you can see that it has selected the side icons as well. So what you can do is you can mark the areas to keep. Let's say I want to keep this one. Now you need a careful marking, guys. Only then it will keep that. So I will just fast forward the process and then show you the final results. So let's say like this one, I've selected my images that I want to keep, and let's click on keep changes. And now you can see that the background is totally removed. So this is how you can customize that. Let's explore some more picture format options. I'll go to the picture format, and if you want to just do some corrections, you want to soften or sharpen the image, you want to correct the brightness of it, you can just make all of these changes from here as required. You can do some manual picture corrections as well. You have all the options here where you can change it according to your requirements. So I recommend you that you can play around with this area. It's pretty basic. I don't need to explain much about how the shadows, reflection and glow works, because we are not studying the designs or customizations here. Let's just discuss some other options where I can change the colors as well, and I can make some artistic effects as well. If you want to change the picture, you can just change it from here, and it will be inserted in the same size. This is the benefit of it. Similarly, if you want to choose the position of the picture, let's say you want to show it on the right of the document, something like this, you can change that. Now you can adjust the picture along with the text. So that's also a great option. Now let's see that if you want to insert an online picture, how we can insert that. I'll just go to insert tab, and from here I'll just choose the pictures, and this time I'll use the online pictures. What this will do, it will connect it directly to Bing. So for example, I want to choose a particular category. If you know the category and it falls here, you can easily find this. For example, if you want to insert the picture of a book, you can see here, it's great. You will see all the pictures and you can easily use this. There's no copyright license because it is under Creative Commons. Now, if we go back and let's say I want to find a picture of America. So I'll write here and then I can just hit enter and you will get some images, which is again in Creative Commons. So you can easily use this, and let's insert this. Now let's say that if we want to crop the image, what I can do is just go to the corner under the picture format and we can click here under the crop image, and I can choose the shape as well. Let's say that I want a rectangular shape that looks something like this with the rounded corners. I can just choose that and it will turn the image into the rounded corners. Now what we can do is we can just click on the crop button again, because this has just changed the shape, right? But if we want to crop this particular area which shows just the flag, what we can do is just select this and click on the crop again, and now you can move this and you can choose the specified area which you want to crop, something like this. So let's say we want to insert the flag only, so we can just choose the area. Let's say even this one, we narrow it down and then we can just click the crop again, and now it is cropped. Now what we want is we want to remove the background again. I can just go to the picture format and just remove the background. Hopefully it will easily remove the background. As you can see here that it has chosen all of the other things successfully. We need only a little bit of adjustment. So let's make this adjustment and let's crop it. And now we have something like this. Now again, if we want to insert this along with the sentence, what we can do is if we move it like this, you will notice that it is not along the picture. It is showing on the top and the text move downwards. So if we want to adjust this, we have the text position right here or layout options right here. So you can choose from here as well. You want it to be shown along with the text. You want to show it however you want. You can just customize this here. So here I've used this first option. So if you want to see the details of it, how it is wrapped, you can choose the wrap text option. And the best one here is the tight function. So tight will enable you to adjust the text however you want with the image. So even if I move it to the center, you will notice that all the text adjusts around that. So this is the most used function in the wrap text. So we will adjust according to our needs and we are good to go. But sometimes if we feel that this sentence is not showing properly, it's very disturbed in the positioning. In that case, what we can do is just specify to the position, a specific position. Let's say with text wrapping here. So not only the position is set, it is the combination of both the functions. It's wrapping the text and it is setting the position. But this time you can see the text is very well arranged. So these are some of the picture formatting options that we can find in Word. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.